us, are we listening to ourselves? Are we having really a conversation, or are we just answering questions? Because, for example, the things that we've been talking about, and especially identifying with people who are walking the journey, do we sit back and ask ourselves, what were they really saying, and are we doing to, affirm that what they were saying is key and important? I hear appeals from the perspective of, we need care. As a country, are we providing that care? Or are we willing to act to provide that care? Do we have finances as a country? I'm sure we do. How are we using our finances to address the needs of these people who cannot access medicines? Case an example is a medicine called morphine, which is used to control or to manage severe pain. Unfortunately, we are running out of stock for that medicine. From where I come from, the National Association for Palliative Care, we've done appeals through KEMSA and other bodies. But who is listening to us? We're talking about the big conversation. Who is listening to the caregiver who is overwhelmed because they have a patient at home? And so at the end of the day, it's about acknowledging that there is wealth of information here. There are scholars everywhere, and we hold big conferences and big meetings, and there is best practice to achieving universal health care. Do we walk the talk? Are we supposed to be praying, to people? Tunaomba serikali, tutaomba mpaka lini? Tuache kuomba, tuombe Mungu na tufanye ambacho kinafaa kufanywa kama nchi na kama wananchi, alafu we need to be responsive to our needs. And thank you, citizen, for having this kind of a conversation.
Kuna tabasamu uliokuja nayo, Lucy. Sitaki uende nyumbani kama tabasamu haipo, kwa sababu nimeona kwamba tumezungumza, lakini kuna mambo ambayo kidogo yanafanya tabasamu yako kuondoka kama shujaa. Labda nimpitishie kipaza sauti. Lucy, ni gani ambalo umeona kwamba aliko sawa na ungependeleza kurekebishwa? Maana yake yakizungumzwa kule nje tabasamu limefifia, yakizungumzwa pia tabasamu limefifia. Na mimi nataka ukirudi tabasamu liongezeke zaidi. Nini ambacho
kwanza niseme palliative in real essence wanasema ati inaanza from the diagnosis. Na sidhani ni kweli. Mimi sikupata. Na juzi nimeenda katika kituo cha hospitali, nikaambiwa kuna diapers na morphine. Mimi survivorship yangu haitaji diapers.